Create Instagram account in 2 minutes. First of all, go to Google, type, how to create Instagram account. Scroll down now. Click on create an Instagram account. Or you can also create your account by going to the link given in the description. First of all, enter your email account. If you want, you can also enter your mobile number. After this, your full name. After that, your username is whatever you like. It is very important to select the username of your choice. Try to have the same social media handle everywhere. After this, you have to create a strong password. Now after this, you go to the account and click on sign up. Now you have to know your birthday, then month, and then in which year you were born. Now do next. After this, go to your Gmail account and check your inbox. You have to check the OTP sent by Instagram. You have to verify this OTP by going to your Instagram account. Now your account has been verified. Congratulations, your Instagram account is ready. Now after following all these, click on the profile. Now go to edit and first select your gender. Now after this, you have to put about yourself in the description. After this, it has to be submitted. After this again, you have to go to the profile. From here, you have to upload your profile photo, so that whoever sees your profile can know about you and whose person's profile it is. Now click here, click on select from computer. And select whatever post you want to post in your laptop/computer and upload it. After this, you have to do next and next again. Now after this, you have to put about the post in the description of your post. Also, you must create a hashtag with your username and enter it. And also you have to add some trending hashtags so that your post goes viral, reaches more and more people, and you become famous. Now you have to click on the share button. Now see, your post has been posted on Instagram. Many congratulations. How to increase followers on Instagram and make posts viral. Soon you will get a video on this topic. Please subscribe this channel and turn on bell notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, tada, bye, take care.